everybody, welcome back to Cards by the Hill. My name is Jane Hill. So I mentioned this in a video that's already up. I wanted to show you. So I mentioned that if you can't get hold of backing paper or it's too expensive for you at the moment, which is understandable in the current climate, financial climate, I suggested, now I don't know if they still do it, I'm pretty sure they probably would. You can go into DIY stores and pick up samples from wallpaper or borders and use them as backing paper. Okay, not only that, but you can go online, various stores who do wallpaper and furnishings and things like that, and you can request samples of certain papers and furnishings, soft furnishings, and they will send you out whatever you've ordered for free. Now, some companies do charge a fee for postage, so you might pick 5 or 6 items and they might charge you £1 postage. Okay, but that's £1 postage that will potentially make 5 different cards. So have a look into it. These are all the ones I've accumulated over the years, and I just wanted to show you some of them. So this is a border, obviously. Look at that pattern. That is beautiful. That wouldn't be out of place on an Anna Griffin card at all. I mean, that is stunning. Love it. Now, obviously, I've had them a few years, so they're all a bit wrinkly and where they've just sat on the windowsill and then by the radiator and everything else. But they're still usable, you know. They are still usable. And I've just got like various borders, offcuts of wallpaper. This is another wallpaper one. This is a wallpaper one where I've just kept, I have used it and I've kept the individual pieces afterwards, because they'll probably be excellent toppers or embellishments for a card, rather than throw them away, you know. So you can also make embellishments out of these wallpapers and borders. As I say though, when you go into a store to get some, make sure they let you have them for free. So make sure you ask first. These are so old, some of these. Little border there. I mean, you can get some beautiful papers, and you can, like I say, you can use them for embellishments as well. I mean, this one's so old it's become permanently creased, I think. So I'm going to have a sort out with these and see what's worth keeping anymore. But you know, as I say, it makes up a really good basis for backing paper. And also I keep some in here as well. But these are the sort of papers I'm talking about. These ones were put straight into a folder. This is from Farrow and Ball. So these are the sort of papers you can get. So this is textured Versailles, Farrow and Ball. This one is from Little Green. These ones haven't got names on. But look how nice a card backing that would make. Do you see what I'm saying? So don't be disheartened if you can't afford backing paper at the moment. You've got more important things to do, I'm sure, than buy a backing paper. But you can pick up or order just for £1 some stunning papers online. That one is really pretty. Look at this one. And this is a Swarovski one. I don't know if you can see it. That would make a stunning card. So, yeah, have a wander about online. If you can't go to these stores, have a wander online. See what companies are offering free samples. And you'll get an A4 sample like that from most of them, which is really, really good. That one's textured again. That one's got like, it feels like plastic or something, but it's textured to make that pattern. There's another good basis for a card. And I've got actually 4 folders of these, so it's not like you can't get hold of them. So yeah, as I say, have a really good look around. See what samples you can pick up. And of course, once they come through the post, you'll be able to make some extremely nice cards. Look at that one. How gorgeous is that? And that's a smaller sample, but that will fit in a 6x6. No problem. Let's get a 6x6. That will fit a 6x6. No problem at all. So yeah, don't be disheartened if you can't afford any crafting products at the moment. One of my subscribers was telling me that it's not a priority at the moment. So yeah, you know, just have a wander around, see what you can find, and I'm sure you'll find some beautiful papers, as you've seen, that you can use as backing paper. Alright, so as I do in all my videos, I want to thank you for your likes. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It means so much to me. I'm loving doing these videos for you and bringing you all this information. Thank you for taking the time out to watch the videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.